is Dr. Jacinta from Open Space Healing, and today we are doing another vlog about posture, particularly a secret stretching technique that you can do in the comfort of your own home that only takes 10 minutes to rapidly improve your posture. Now, I know that for a lot of you, good posture is something that you are striving for. It helps you stand taller, breathe better, look thinner, but it also prevents injury and the risk of having neck and back pain. One of the most common reasons we have people visiting us at Open Space is because of poor posture. And yes, visiting a healthcare practitioner like a chiropractor or physiotherapist is a really effective way to kick poor posture to the curb, but there's a ton of things that you can be doing at home to empower yourself to take your poor posture into your own hands. Which is why in today's vlog, we'll be showing you a 10-minute stretching sequence that you can do at home that will improve your posture for good. Now, before we get into all of those juicy details, let's first talk about how you might have gotten your poor posture in the first place. In today's fast-paced world, we are spending more and more time at our desks, in front of our laptop, looking down at our phones, and in front of Netflix. And this has become such an epidemic that there is a new buzzword going around called text neck. Now, text neck is a definition that explains a forward head posture because of looking down all the time, that it puts a lot of stress on the neck and lower back. Because we are continuously looking down at our phones, what tends to happen is our head comes forward and puts a lot of stress on our chest muscles and causes a chronic contraction. Now, the problem is every 2 centimeters that your head moves forward, it actually doubles the weight of your head. And your head is already the weight of a bowling ball. So it's no wonder you might be getting, a sore neck if you have poor posture. Now, the troublesome thing is that because your head comes forward so much and is so heavy coming forward, your body is very clever. And what it will actually do to stop you from falling over is actually extend your back and increase the arch in your lower spine. And this is called lumbar lordosis. And so often people that have poor forward head posture often will have a chronic contraction in their glutes and lower back, which causes low back pain as well. When it comes to correcting your posture, it is very important to target these chronically tight muscles in your neck and lower back, which is why I'll show you now a perfect posture sequence that you can do. We hope this information has been helpful for you today. And if you know of any of your loved ones who you've noticed have a forward head or a really big arch in their lower back, or if you yourself are struggling with your posture, then get in touch, pick up the phone, or of course do this sequence in the comfort of your very own home. And if you would like us to cover a different topic, then please leave a comment below and we will endeavour to do that for you as soon as possible. This is Dr. Jacinta from Open Space Healing. Bye for now.